Yeah. Well, here's our project. Original hammer, what do you think?
Piece of cake.
What are we getting into? Here, I pulled your order from OrschellX.com.
Oh,
Look at all that goodness.
the good swag.
The good stuff. And we got you the dirt hammers in there too.
Ooh, no, I am.
Yeah, you're the first.
I'll be rocking them for sure.
So the project today, try to get the thumb on the old SANY. You all seen the thumb we got. Man, that bucket looks huge. I hate putting this stuff in my truck because you know what's going to happen. Wonder how much weight that's going to put out on the end.
Be a little tippy, maybe.
Golly, we did that one for that 316. It was massive, wasn't it? Hell, the cylinder alone was as much as the thumb weighed.
Yeah, the heavy girl.
Well, let's see if this one will start. Get her pulled out. Turn it into a work truck. Now, hopefully we can get that up without it swinging and busting the cab. What do you think? Just get up there and chain it, and then hammer's a hammer. He knows. That's why I told Blake I'll have Hammer come help me with this. He's good at rigging. We built my complete. That was a steel truck from up in Ohio, up in Cleveland. We went and got that. We didn't even have to drive it home, and me and the original Hammer built that. Well, the original Hammer did. I did what he told me, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's not a good first try on that thing, man. That thing's so much quicker. And then you turn, and then that thing starts swinging. I thought it was gonna go forward. I think I'm gonna have to get that added on counterweight. That's gonna help. Yes?
Where's the blower at?
On the side of the truck. Why?
Because there's a bunch of shit up in the front.
Well, you're looking all candy canish.
Ready for Christmas again.
Looks like, no, it's in the equipment hauler. Are you gonna come help put the thumb on?
Oh, sure, bye.
You think that thumb's as heavy as the bedrock? And that new toolbox on the other side. What's the game of attack? Oh no, it's right here. Blower. I need to get you one for your birthday.
That is mine.
This ain't your blower.
That was my blower.
It's not your blower. That is not your blower. You got the weed eater.
Oh.
Freshly charged for
Thanks,
you.
Daryl.
You're welcome.
Sweet.
So what's the game plan here? I know you already been looking at it. Came right out?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that, yeah.
We probably got one fit that.
Daryl's complaining about his kids doing things he did when he was young, doing donuts and throwing mud all over his garage. Full circle there, Daryl. To say the least, we were hell on wheels. Daryl might have jinxed. He said that was way too easy. I think we got the right amount of pressure off that. I wonder if we take that out, that thing's gonna fall, ain't it? Or this gonna fall forward?
I mean, that you got your stick cylinder holding it.
Yeah, but with this, I don't know. I guess that holds it. I don't know. We'll see. She went down a little bit. Take her to Velocity. She's a little underpowered.
Yeah.
Not what you're used to working with.
Turn up the boost.
We're in a bind. Recalculating a bit here. Man, this thing's so much, I mean, it just like, I don't know, but a lot of people say it's electric over hydraulic or something. I don't know, but man, it's like you start swinging and it just takes off. Doing this stuff, you need somebody that's good with rigging and metalworking and you love cribbing, don't ya? Here's our spreader bar. We're gonna get 3 teeth on there. Mini hoe helping out the big hoe. Think that's where it needs to be? At least we can swing it now. It's got being dictated by the wheels. I always fight when Shim's pulling that, but we got Cole here now. It's gonna be he'll get it right in there. He likes putting things in holes in hard situations. You show him once and he'll do it. It's like we're at the dentist.
The thing fell off in there.
Daryl's in there with his Dremel. Like always, Pam showed up. Fucked us. He's back. I tell you, these SANYs, their tolerances are so tight, you just gotta do some clearancing. Water? Well, we got it through finally. A lot of beating, banging, and not really much cussing, but it's on. Now we're chasing down fittings. So, it's always something.